Welcome to a new first part of this series. In hindsight, I wanted to give more of an overview on what the power of scripting is before I start on actually explaining things. So welcome to my project. This is a project I work on weekly because I'm part of a racing group where I make racing highlights. And between each highlight I have this very same transition.
A little bit too cautious on those
You can see
brakes.
over here. As you can see, it shows which lap they are on, the drivers, and which position. Doing this over and over again manually is just such a pain in the ass. I started looking for ways to improve my workflow, and I found out you can script for Vegas Pro. So I'm going to remove a transition. Let's do this one. We are on lap 1 with Smeltino, Borderline, and Just Chillin for P12, P13, and P14. Well, as you can see, doing all the fade outs, fade ins, and their timing position, background, such a pain in the ass. It takes me about 4 minutes for each transition, and there's a chance that I fucked up somewhere and this one misses a fade out or something because it's hard to see. So this is where scripting comes in. The script I wrote fixes all my problems. So I'm going to Tools, Scripting. I have it in the quick access. We were on lap 1. The first driver was Smelt. Then we have Borderline, and then we have Just Chillin. We were driving for position 12, 13, and 14, and if we submit it, there we go. I just saved myself 3 minutes of time for each and every transition, and I am guaranteed to never make a single mistake.
Behind them though, Borderline Smelt.
So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy this series of tutorials.